Hello friends, I am back with another interesting question of arithmetic progression, which is of chapter 5 class 10 NCERT Exemplar. Now we'll be discussing question 25. But before discussing, please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Also try this question yourself and then give it a pause, and then once you are ready with your solution, you can refer this video for the solution. Now we'll be solving this question. Question says that in an AP, if Sn is 3n square plus 5n and Ak is 164, find the value of k. I'm sure we could not find any of this kind of question in NCERT, and this question is little interesting as well. How? Let's understand the concept first. How can we find it out? And then we'll move on to solving this solution. Now let's say if I have an AP like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, right? Now A is 1 and D will be 2 over here, right? What if I am talking about S1? What is S1 now? Sum to n terms, right? Sn is sum to n terms. What is S1? Sum of one term, which is 1 only, right? What is S2? Sum of two terms. That means 1 plus 3, which is 4, isn't it? Right. How about S3 now? So 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is 9, right? Or I can write it down S3 as this. That means S2 plus 5. That means we call it as A2. We call it right this A1, A2, A3 and so on, right? We used to do that only. A3 because 5 is A3 which we have. So now let's say if I have another S4, how can we write it down? If it was 3 over here, that was S2 plus A3, isn't it? Right. So S4 will be S3 plus A4. That means what will be A4 now? S4 minus S3. I shifted it here. So A4 will be S4 minus S3. Right. What is A7? That will be S7 minus S6, isn't it? How about AN now? That will be Sn minus Sn minus 1, right? So this is the concept which we should be aware of to solve this kind of questions. If we have given that it is Sn and we need to find Ak, it's given that there is something Ak as 164, we need to find the value of k. This is something new thing which we have in this question. Now we know there is an AP and we know Sn is 3n square plus 5n. We have Ak, is given that Ak is this. For that we need to find An first. How can we do that? We know that An will be Sn minus 1, right? So what will be Sn? 3n square plus 5n. Now what will be Sn minus 1? Wherever we have n, we'll convert or we'll shift it to n minus 1. We'll change it to n minus 1. So 3 times n minus 1 whole square plus 5 times n minus 1, right? Now what do we get? 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square plus 1 minus 2n plus 5n minus 5. So after solving this, what do we get? We'll be getting 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square minus 3 plus 6n minus 5n plus 5. Now by solving this, we can cancel 3n square out. We can cancel 5n as well. So we are left with what? 6n. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 6n plus 2 is an term which we have. Now if an is 6n plus 2, what will be ak? That will be 6k plus 2. What have we done? We have just changed n to k. If it's a10, we'll change n to 10. So it's given that ak is 164. That's why we took this one. Now 164 equals 6k plus 2. So next step will be 6k equals 164 minus 2, which is 162. Now what will be k with us? 162 by 6. We can cancel that out. 2, 3, 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. And if we can cancel this out, we are getting 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So we'll be getting k as 27. So this is the logic which we should understand before starting up this question, because if we are not aware of this yn is Sn minus 1, we could not solve this question. And in a lot of many questions, these things will actually work. If it's given Sn or Sn minus 1, we need to find An or A7 or A6. Let's say they've given S2 and S3. You need to find A7. You need to find A3. You can use it and solve it. Right? I hope you understood this question or the solution to this question. I'll be coming back with another question. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much.